Hey guys, welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your aggregated cryptocurrency and blockchain news show of the day. Today we've got a few good stories for you. All right, so for traders, if you guys are active traders, I got a good story for you about transaction fee mining, a new way to make crypto while you're trading. Second story, well, I know you guys all know this place, Pornhub. Pornhub adds some crypto payments. Now, we're not here to talk about porn, but it's an interesting story in that mass adoption, okay? And we're going to tell you which cryptos so you will know. But obviously, don't be wasting your flipping crypto on porn, guys. And then we have good news. We're going to talk about a global survey about cryptocurrency. I know it's tough out there. You see the markets going down every day. You're like, what the hell? What the hell? I got to get out. Believe me, hodl hard. Big money is coming, and also awareness is here. And we're going to read official numbers. We're going to read official numbers, and you're gonna actually see now's the time to be buying. Okay, so let's get into it as we usually do, gentlemen. Let's start with our market moves of the day. Well, I usually say the usual suspects, but I can't say it anymore because these guys keep jockeying. But the top 10 today are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Litecoin, Stellar, Cardano, Tether, and IOTA. So Tether is still holding on to the 9th spot after kicking out IOTA from that spot and Tron going down to 11. Markets are mixed. Not really much going on. A little move for EOS. Litecoin with a little negligible move. Yeah, mostly red, low single digits. By Tom, 6%. All right, so let's see who made some money today, if anybody. Ooh, Monaco, 15%. Digbite, 13%. Nebulous, 13%. Populous, 11%. These are some names we keep hearing over and over. They're rounding off the top 10 earners. Bytum, Docademic, Waves, Digix, DAO, and Monero. All right, let's get to the news. Now, transaction fee mining. Today, you'll notice Binance was knocked out of the top spot. For the first time, Binance was knocked out of the top spot in terms of being the biggest exchange. Let's see why. A new strategy called transaction fee mining has propelled Singapore-based Coinbase and Hong Kong-based BitZ into the top spots for global cryptocurrency exchange trading volume at $2.3 billion US dollars and $1.4 billion in the past day, respectively, as of this writing on June 26th, so yesterday. This dethrones Binance, which usually holds the top spot, and pushes other major exchanges, OKX and Huobi, into lower ranks than usual. Binance, Huobi, and Huobi only have 0.6 billion of trading volume each in the past day, which suggests that Coinbase and BitZ are taking business away from them, since these numbers are much lower than usual. On Coinbase and BitZ, so this is why now. Why is everyone going to these guys? I haven't even heard of these. Check this out. On Coinbase and BitZ, users are rewarded an equivalent amount of tokens for the fees they spend trading cryptocurrency. So whatever you're spending on the fees in crypto, they're like, don't worry about it. Here, and they just give you free coins. This makes them a more attractive choice than typical cryptocurrency exchanges, since traders end up paying no fees overall and get a stake in the new native cryptocurrencies of Coinbase and BitZ, which could become more valuable in the future. This is called transaction fee mining, since trading on Coinbase and BitZ is the only way to generate the new cryptocurrencies. It essentially is the same as an initial coin offering, since customers are ultimately using other cryptocurrencies to buy the new cryptocurrencies, but a unique benefit of this form of ICO is free trading. So you see what they're doing? They're like, okay, you guys put your money on our thing and you can trade. And then they're charging fees, whatever fees it costs to trade. But then, so I don't know how much it costs to trade. Maybe like $1 a trade, let's say. So they give you $1 worth of their coins. So the transaction fee mining offered by Bitsy and Coinbase is for a limited time only, and traders rushing to seize the opportunity has resulted in those exchanges temporarily taking over the top spot over Binance, Huobi, and OKX. The success of these experiments may result in other exchanges offering transfer fee mining in the future. Yeah, I mean, they're basically saying, yeah, we'll give you our own coin in replace of the fees that you're paying us. It's kind of interesting. So you're basically trading for free. And yeah, who doesn't like to trade for free, right? So now here's a funny one. Here's the good one. Well, not good, but whatever. Pornhub adds Tron and Zencash as crypto payment options. Now, I bring this up not because of porn, but just in terms of adoption. You know what I mean? Like, think of all the transactions Pornhub does. Like, Pornhub, people don't understand this. Pornhub have so many users that they actually do scientific experiments with it. I don't remember the website, but there's a website you can go out there, and they actually have Pornhub data. And, yeah, like, they're actually using it for science. Yeah. I'll find out about that, and I'll tell you guys. It's interesting. Like, people's, favorite sexual things in this age group, in that age group, in this country, in that country, like worldwide. It's a worldwide, they do worldwide surveys, scientific studies. For a porn place, man, it's pretty all right. All right, we're not going to read the whole thing because obviously it's just what it is. Well, actually, it's a short thing, so let's go. The popular adult, let me just click this off again. The popular adult entertainment website Pornhub has announced that it will accept 2 other cryptocurrencies, Tron and Zencash, as payment. The integration marks the latest crypto play by the site, which added a payment option for the cryptocurrency Verge in April. Wednesday's news, first reported by Variety, was confirmed by Pornhub spokesperson Chris Jackson. Users of the site can use the cryptocurrencies to buy subscriptions or pay for content at one of a number of affiliated websites. Notably, the adult entertainment site suggested that it was looking to add support for other cryptocurrencies as well. Corey Price, vice president of Pornhub, said in a statement, here at Pornhub, it's important that we cater to our users' ever-changing payment preferences, and as such, that means accepting cryptocurrencies as a payment method, which provide users with anonymity and security. We look forward to continuing to stockpile our arsenal of cryptocurrencies, providing our fans with more payment methods than ever before. Hopefully, we are the precursor for widespread adoption across the industry. He's talking about across his industry, but screw just his industry. Right? When people see, like, wow, all the transactions happening on Pornhub with cryptocurrency, they're going to want in on the action too. Mass adoption. In other words, making it normal for people to think that it's normal just to pay in crypto. Robert Vigilone, co-founder of Zencash, said in a statement that payment options give the ability to pay the adult entertainment privately without fear of exposure. And Tron didn't give a statement. So that's why I'm talking about this story. It's mass adoption. You know, something that's interesting about the porn industry is that, you know, the porn industry is what gave us a lot of the standards we have today. When I was a kid, there was a thing called VHS. Then it went to, what was it, DVD? Yeah, that was because of the porn industry. The porn industry wanted things to go to DVD, so we all went to DVD. That's a true story. And they're a harbinger of what's to come because they just get in on every brand new thing right away. And so that's why I bring up this story, because it shows mass adoption. Sure, it's just a porn site, but don't get it twisted. They handle so many transactions. If they can show that they can handle all those transactions in crypto, it shows it's viable, right? And then the last thing I want to say to you guys is this. Don't fucking go spend your fucking money on Pornhub, okay? Not your money. I don't give a fuck about your money. Do not spend crypto on Pornhub. Look, the big money's coming. We're about to read about that in a second. Don't be like that guy. Oh, hold on. Guys, have you Google this? Happy Bitcoin pizza day. Okay? And you'll hear the story of a motherfucker who bought, I think it was 1,000 Bitcoin or something like that. He bought a pizza with 1,000 Bitcoin back in like 2012. In today's Bitcoin prices, that pizza would have been some millions of dollars. I don't remember the exact number, but millions of dollars. So he's famous for that. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy that spent a few Bitcoin to go jerk off. And then 2 years from now, when Bitcoin's to the moon, you're thinking about how much that cost. Look. No masturbation session is worth your crypto, okay? So just stop that. Take your hands off your fucking crotches and keep your crypto in your wallets. All right. Now let's get a little bit more serious. We're going to bring good news, and this is a little bit more data. I know the reason I'm bringing this news is because, everyone's freaking out, right? Everyone, every day, look at these numbers we see. Every flipping day, it's just, oh, sorry. That freaked me out. I saw it all green there, and I was like, what? Did the market just? But here we go. Okay. Every day, all we're seeing is this shit right here, right? Bunch of red mostly. Bunch of red. Just a bunch of garbage, right? It's been going on all year long. And I know it's tough. Look, I got a buddy of mine. Look, I don't have a wife and kids or anything like that. I'm a free man. Nobody, I answer to no one. And, but I can imagine some of you guys out there, you put your money in, you got a wife, girlfriend, and she's sitting there nagging you about the price of these things all the time. And you're probably wanting to get to the point where you're just like, you know what, fuck this shit. Fuck this crypto, fuck all this shit. I tried it, didn't fucking work. My wife's nagging at me. I gotta just get the hell out of here. Look at here, boys. Don't pussy out. Don't fucking pussy out. You hodl and you hodl hard. The big money's coming. I'm about to show you. What did I say your fucking favorite word is? Around here, in fact, if you're watching this, what's your favorite? It's like the Donald Trump, right? He's our president here in America. I'm sure you all know around the world. He used to go around and he'd be like, we're going to build a wall. Who's going to pay for it? Mexico. His people would yell, Mexico. So I'm telling you this. Okay, around these parts, well, I have a chant. What's your favorite word? Custodianship. What's your favorite word? Custodianship. What are we doing around these parts? Hodl. What are we doing? Hodl. Okay, that's our chance here at Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. All right, boys? So what's your favorite word? Custodianship. What do we do around these parts? We hodl. Hodl. That's right, guys, and I'm going to show you why. I know. I can just imagine the nagging. I can just imagine what's going on right now. You said it was going to go up. Oh, this. Oh, that. They just don't get it. Don't worry about it, guys. Look at what it says right here. Yo. What did we talk about? Custodianship. Here's another article on it. And I'm going to just keep pumping it. Because I want you to stay strong. You are going to be rich. You watching this. You are going to be rich. In like just a couple of years, just hang on. Hodl. And I'm going to show you why. Not just because I say so, because I have some fantasy or some dream. I mean, I do hope so, but I'm going to show you the mechanics, okay, why you're going to be rich. Now, with many billions of dollars of money from institutional investors impatiently waiting, look what it says, impatiently waiting. These boys, Wall Street boys, they're chomping at the bits. They are chomping at the bits to get into. You think they see all this money we're making? Oh my gosh. Come on, they're Wall Street guys. Wall Street, London, Tokyo, Berlin, all those guys are chomping at the bits right now. Okay? They're impatiently waiting on the sidelines. Investment banks, crypto exchanges, traditional custody players, and crypto custody solution providers are all working hard to come up with good SEC approved answers to the crypto custody problem. Remember we talked about custody. I'm going to explain it one more time to you. If you're a big hedge fund, I control 10 billion. I'm a hedge fund manager. Okay? I'm the hedge fund manager in this scenario. I control $10 billion. Well, when I go out and I buy, I don't know, 4 million Ripple, I can't keep it on a Ledger Nano. First of all, that's illegal. It's illegal. I can't keep my client's money, in an unregulated, unlicensed custody. I can't hold it in custody somewhere. I have to have what's called custodianship. Custodianship. That's going to be your favorite word. What's our favorite word around here, boys? Custodianship. Because custodianship is what's about to bring all the big money into this market. And actually, it's about to happen faster than I thought. And so that's another reason I brought this up, because I was kind of I made a video a couple days ago and I was like, yeah, not till, maybe mid next year and stuff. It might happen sooner. And so this is why I bring this up, because you also got to start buying, accumulating, padding your holdings, because this shit's coming soon. And I'm going to read it to you right now. In the United States, under Rule 2064-2, oh yeah, we're getting technical around here. This is, if anyone talks shit to you, you just tell them. Tell them what's coming and be like, oh yeah, well, under Rule 206, blah, 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 this is what's happening. So, in the United States here, under Rule 2064-2 of the Investment Advisor Act of 1940, also known as the Custody Rule, SEC-registered investment advisors with custody of clients' funds and securities must protect their clients' assets. Excuse me. According to the requirements of the Custody Rule. According to the requirements of the Custody Rule. Do you see? That's the problem. That's why the big money's not here yet, because I'm sorry, guys. I know I'm drinking up. I had a rough night last night, so I'm just clearing my head a little bit. And I don't want to forget to say something to you. All right. So these are the requirements. So that's why the big money hasn't come, because there is no custody yet. I'm not allowed to take your $1 billion and invest it for you if I don't have a place to put your assets that I bought. You're not allowed. It's not. So people are like, yeah, well, when are these fucking guys coming? When are these hedge funds fuckers coming, man? This is when. And I'm going to read to you when right now. Okay, so let's go over the rule, though. Still the custody rule. So in the custody rule, you must use qualified custodians to hold client assets. A qualified custodian must hold the funds and security in account, either under the client's name or under the advisor's name as agent, trustees for its clients. That's custodianship. And then you got to give notices to the client detailing their assets. You got to give account statements, annual surprise exams, and additional protections when a related qualified custodian is used. If custodian is also the investment. Okay, anyway, that's technical crap. U.S.-based institutional investors that are interested in getting into cryptocurrencies will only feel safe. Will only feel safe if they are dealing with SEC-registered entities. SEC-registered entities. Here in America, SEC, that's our thing. It's called the Securities and Exchange Commission. They handle all the stock trades and stuff like that. According to Bloomberg, you all know who Bloomberg is, right? According to Bloomberg, breaking this custody barrier would unleash. Let me get the right. You understand what I'm saying? I told you about this the other day. Unleash the money. Those wolves on Wall Street, well, they're dying to get in here. They're not getting in here until they have what? SEC registered entities in which to put the cryptos. They're not like us. They don't just put them on Ledger Nanos. They got to have all this fancy custody, right? Of course, if you have $1 billion worth of crypto, you're not putting it on a Ledger Nano. Nano Ledger, whatever it's called. And so, you understand? It's going to unleash. Like, it's not like us. We're just retail investors. Yeah, we're putting in 10 grand here, 50 grand there, 100 grand here. We're talking hundreds of millions of dollars, billions of dollars. I said this the other day. what is about to happen in this cryptocurrency market? It's not going to be a flood of money that's coming. A fucking tsunami of money is on the way, boys. There's a tsunami, right? Just take out your binoculars, look down, look east across the ocean there. You see that green wave, that green thing that's coming towards us? That's called Wall Street money. That's called Wall Street money. That's called hedge fund money. That tsunami is going to flip and hit us nice. Hit us nice and drive our holdings. Now, you're going to be rich. I told you that. And watch. According to Bloomberg, breaking the custody barrier. Just where do that's all these rich guys want to know. Where can I just keep my stuff safe? Will unleash a large number of institutional investors, thereby boosting cryptocurrency prices. Qualified custodial solutions would pave the way for vast tracts of investors to expand into crypto, potentially reviving prices in the markets that have tumbled in recent weeks. Regulated crypto custody would allow more institutional buyers, such as hedge funds and pensions, to invest in Bitcoin, Ether, and a multitude of other coins. Retail brokerages would have a safer way to let clients add crypto to their portfolios stuffed with stocks and bonds. As far as U.S., so this is the good news. Now, when is this custody thing going to happen then, Shamari, man? When's this? And this is the thing. This is why you got to get your crypto now. I didn't realize how close we were, but here it is, guys. As far as U.S.-based crypto exchanges are concerned, we know that both Circle and Coinbase are in talks with the SEC in order to be able to offer SEC-regulated platforms, but custody platforms. But Coinbase is much further ahead since a company it acquired recently, Venovate. They bought a company called Venovate Marketplace, already holds an alternative trading system license. Coinbase also has a custody service. Gentlemen, strap yourselves in and get ready for liftoff. Coinbase already has a custody service, but Coinbase still needs to convince the SEC that it meets all the requirements of the custody rule, that the law we read above. According to a Coinbase spokesman, Coinbase is expecting to receive SEC's approval soon. Listen to me. Coinbase is about to get, hold on, let's talk. Coinbase is about to get SEC approval soon. In other words, that's going to be the first. They're going to be the first custodians to break into this market, unleashing money. Oh, that's just one. You think Goldman Sachs and all them aren't all trying to get their stuff regulated with the SEC right now? You're damn right they are. You're damn right they are. They're all racing to be custodians to hold these billions that are going to come, and collect their fees for holding it. One company, so let's continue. One company that looked like it was going to be the first to offer qualified custodial services was institutional crypto custody solution provider BitGo, which announced on January 25th, that it had entered into an agreement to acquire Kingdom Trust, a company that claims to be a qualified custodian. However, on May 22nd, BitGo announced that it had decided not to move forward with the acquisition. They're not going to buy it, and instead was going to build its own. So it looks like there is a good chance that the race to be provider of the first qualified crypto custodial service will be won by one of these three companies. So who are the companies? BitGo, Coinbase, and Circle. Three are fighting to be the first. Look, we don't want first. We want them all of them to be custodians. Once they're all SEC licensed, oh my gosh. And that's just the beginning. But do you see what I'm saying? They're saying they're going to have approval soon. Once there is approval, guys, a tsunami of money is going to come in. A tsunami, which is going to drive the prices of everything up. So, like I said, I don't tell you what to buy around here, but I'm telling you, whatever you want to buy it. Buy it now. Personally, I didn't think this custodianship thing was going to really go down until Q1 of next year, the beginning of next year, quarter one. I don't know if you guys know about that. Anyway, of next year, but I think it's going to go down. I think it's going to go down by this year, and I think these sorry. See, I need a drink, man. My brain, man. Holy, and I think these big hedge funds and that's when they're going to start pouring in. And so, guys, the reason I brought this up is twofold. To make you hodl strong. I know the girlfriend, the wife out there, they don't understand. They're complaining, they're whining. Don't listen to that shit. Don't listen to that shit. You hodl strong. You have vision. You've invested in yourself. Don't let anyone take it from you. Don't let anyone take it from you. You see the fucking tsunami coming. I just read to you about the tsunami. I just read to you about the vast tracks, bomba clot, vast blood clot tracks of investors that are coming. Not me and you type investors. Billionaires. Herds of them. Do you not see them on the horizon? Do you see the green wave? Yeah. Do you see all those little dots on the wave? Yeah, those are people. They're called billionaires, and they're just riding that wave of money our way. And when it gets here, boys, when it gets here, you have to have your bucket ready. You have to have your bucket ready to catch the money. Your bucket is your portfolio. The bigger your bucket, the more money you get to catch when the wave hits whoosh, into your bucket. You got to get that bucket big. Oh my gosh, get that motherfucker big. Okay? Because that tsunami, okay, it's a coming. It's a coming. You've been warned. So guys, get ready. Okay, and now also I'm going to, so that's about institutional investors. That's where the money is coming. Okay, so you're going to be rich, buddies. You got to get your things right now. Okay, I know I keep saying that. Okay. Excuse me. Now, also, forget just institutional investors. What about soccer mom and soccer dad? Just regular folk, 9-to-5 folk. You know what I mean? Well, there was an interesting survey done worldwide, and we're going to read a little bit of it. Research company Ipsos, on behalf of ING Bank, has conducted a study on how cryptocurrencies are perceived across Europe, Australia, and the U.S., which reveals the interest in the technology is expected to double in the future. It's about to double in the future. According to the study, so we're going to go down here. According to the study, 66% of Europeans have heard of cryptocurrency, of which 77% are men, 55% are women. 35% agreed that crypto is the future of spending online. They are already thinking it. While 35% said it would increase in value in the following 12 months. The share of awareness in crypto is equal to or exceeds 50% in every surveyed country. With the highest rate in Australia, 79% of Australians know about crypto, 77% of Polish, 57% of Americans. Fewer than 1 in 10 Europeans own crypto, with similar figures in US and Australia. That means if only 1 in 10 own crypto now, well, that means we got to get the other 9 in. That means that there are 9 other people's worth of money to be brought in the market. Do you see what I'm saying? Look at it that way. Look at it that way. The prices are where they are now, and it's only us, right? Just a few of us around the world. Not a few, but you know what I mean? When soccer mom and dad come in, when the institutional investors get here, well, what do you think they're going to flip and do? What do you think Bank of America is going to do? They're going to be offering a flipping Bitcoin account to their clients. They're going to be offering a Litecoin account, a Ripple account, whatever, right? Flipping Wells Fargo is going to have a, crypto fund you can invest in. Once, the bankers go to soccer mom and dad, that's going to unleash another wave of money. Do you see what I'm saying? So we have 2 waves. We have the institutional money right here, the billions of dollars in institutional money. And then we're going to have more billions of dollars once soccer mom and soccer dad come in. Okay, so I just brought these up, blah, blah, blah. I mean, I just wanted to bring those up, a couple little stats up to make you, and let me just, to give you some confidence, boys. You know what I mean? You might be losing money right now. It's only temporary. It's only temporary. We're losing money now because it's temporary. Because why? Do you see that green wave coming? Do you see the green wave of institutional money on the way? You see that green wave, boys? That's what I'm talking about around these parts. We're not fucking around these parts. We're holding hard. That green wave is coming. And this is how you should be looking. When your wife's complaining, your girlfriend's complaining, your boys are laughing at you, just offer them a drink with a with a knowing smile. A knowing smile, because you know. Motherfucker. Because you fucking know. Don't you? What do you know? Oh, that's the kind of shit you know. You know about custody. You know about institutional money. You know about the unlocking of billions, motherfucker. That's what you know. They don't know. You know. So don't let their lack of knowledge cause you to do something stupid. I'm preaching now. I guess the drink is kicking in, motherfuckers. Look, you see what I'm saying? Don't let their lack of knowledge that they don't know about custody solutions coming, that they don't know about, because they don't know about unlocking of billions of institutional money. Don't let their lack of knowledge and their whining and complaining and giggling and laughing or whatever they're doing. Look at here, boys. You don't let their stupidity make you do something stupid. All right? And that's why I bring these stories up. Shmori, man, you're always bringing up custody. Because I want to show you. It's not just me talking. Just some funny dude in like glasses chilling out. There it is. These are rich boys. These are hedge fund guys telling you that. They're hedge fund guys. They want in. But they're just like, gotta wait. So guys, that's why I bring this up, because it's just been weeks and weeks, days of days of bad news, red markets all around, right? Just red markets all around. But I don't give two shits about red markets, because I fucking know that the institutional money is on the way. So that's why. So this is sort of a pep talk, from your fearless leader to you. Come on, guys. Have no fear. Keep hodling, and let's get ready for the money, all right? So let's wrap this up with our usual. Let's take a little refresh, see if the market's moved at all. Oh, look at that shit. We're in the green since I started talking. I'm good luck, right? See that? That's right. Well, why didn't it turn green the last time you talked? You're smart. You're pretty smart. Okay. Anyway, so blah, blah, blah. Here we go. Now we're starting to see a little action, getting green. So maybe a little green. And this is the thing, too, guys. Now is the time. This is the other thing I want to say. While things are so cheap, I mean, look at Ethereum at $400. $400. Where's Litecoin at? $81 for a Litecoin? Guys, it is time to buy. So I'm not even going to lie to you. Next week, I'm going to throw some money in, and I'm going to up my holdings, pad my holdings. I'm padding hard. Everything I can spare, after paying bills and whatnot. You got to be responsible. You got to pay your bills and whatnot. But everything after that is going into crypto. It's building my bucket so that when that tsunami comes, my bucket, oh my gosh, I'm going to need friends to help me with my bucket. You understand? That's the level I'm talking about. See your wife who's complaining now? Yeah. When she's going to have to help you with the bucket, she's going to be laughing her ass off. She's going to think you're the smartest man on earth. That's right, buddy. You'll be able to talk shit to her forever. In fact, you know what you do? You just tattoo the word custodianship on her forehead. And so every time you look at her, you'll be happy because that's your favorite word in the world, right? Because what's your favorite word in the world? I know I'm getting a little drunk, guys. Alcohol's kicking in a little bit, but don't worry. I'm going to let you go in a minute. Just hold on. But what's your favorite word in the world? What's our favorite word? What did I say? Like the Trump thing? What's our favorite word in the world? Custodianship. What's our favorite word in the world? Custodianship. How are we going to get our money? Custodianship. Yeah, damn right. So you just tattoo that on the front of her forehead. And every time you look at her, you'll be so happy with the word. You just kiss. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. Right? Because she now represents custody. And you love custody because custodianship make you rich. Just, sweetie, sweetie, sweet. Come here. Come here. Oh, I love you, custody. What? My name's Susan. I meant Susan's. Oh, I love you, Susan. All right, guys. I'm fucking around. Playing games. And like I said, when anyone talks shit to you, you give them one of these. You just hand them a drink and give them that cheesy little grin. You know, you just give them a grin like you're handing a drink to a retard. Just like, okay, retard, here you go, right? When you start losing money, but you know it's only temporary, and you know it's only temporary. Why? Why? Custodianship. Why? Custodianship. All right, guys. I know I'm just getting crazy. I'm drinking. So, guys, let's do what we usually do around these parts. Let me just thank you for coming. I hope that was inspirational for you, because you're not just hearing out the words of my mouth, okay? Just my mouth. You heard the Bloomberg guy said so. What the Bloomberg guy? You know what Bloomberg is, right? If you know anything about money, even a little, you should know Bloomberg, right? You should know about Bloomberg. They're the biggest money thing here in America. Remember those I told you about? When you see a stock market movie, you see those guys in the stock exchange pressing those terminals? Yeah, those are Bloomberg terminals. Bloomberg runs the, kind of the hardware level of our trading universe here in America. And what does it say? What does it say? One last time. According to Bloomberg, breaking this custody barrier would unleash a large number of institutional investors, thereby boosting crypto prices. What do you have in your wallet? Oh, crypto. Uh-oh. Looks like your shit's going to go up in value. That's what Bloomberg says. Okay, guys. Oh, I know I've been talking shit, but it's just I want you to keep the faith, keep strong, because we're so close. We are so close to custody. I read another article. One guy was talking about Coinbase might have custody shit by September. The SEC might give them the licensing by September. Guys, you gotta I thought maybe by next year. You gotta get it now. Now. September? What are we in here? What month? July, June, July, August. Guys, pile in. I mean, obviously, as soon as they open their custodianship, it's not like, the tsunami's going to hit that same day. But damn, guys, I'm not sure if we're going to make it to the end of the year before the tsunami comes. That's what I'm saying. I said the other day, blah, 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 Q1 next year, 2019. I'm not sure we're going to make it that long. I think you got to pile in now. And you read it. We read it. All right, I'm yapping. I'm talking. But I'm just trying to give you motivation. All right, guys? So, look, guys, subscribe below. Always subscribe so you can get these updates all the time. And that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be updating you. I'm going to be watching this custodian. You know, what's my favorite word? Custody motherfucking shit. All right? And I'll be watching that story hard. So every day, if I hear one thing about custodianship, I'm going to be telling you about it. That's your favorite word. And that's about it, guys. So we're trying to do this thing. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, all right? So help us out to get to 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Everybody else needs to know about this stuff too. So help us get to 1,000 subscribers. And what I'm going to do is when I get to so how do you do that? You share it. You tweet it. CB Newswire, C the letter, B the letter, newswire.com, or sorry, CB Newswire is our Twitter account. Go there, retweet all that stuff for us. And help us out. And what I'm going to do is we're going to have a little vote. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a show, and you guys are going to vote. I live in South Beach. For those of you who don't know, for those of you who know, you know. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you guys choose where I do a show. I'm going to do a show out there. So Ocean Drive, Espanola Way, Lincoln Road, Brickell, wherever you want me to do the show, I'll do the show. So every 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do an outside show. I'm going to interview people, all this kind of stuff. And that's what we'll do. We'll interview them about, like, hey, do you own crypto? Do you know about crypto? Da-da-da. Okay, so that's our fun little game, guys. So that's it for today. Thank you, guys. And remember, what's your favorite word? That's right, custodianship. Oh, my gosh. Custody. Hold on. We have to look at it one more time. Just, guys, I know I'm jumping, but look. SEC approved. Motherfuckers. SEC approved. Custody Solutions will unlock billions of dollars in what? Billions of dollars in what? In institutional money. Institutional money. You're about to be rich. There's the tsunami. There's the story. That's the truth. And again, guys, when motherfuckers are talking shit to you, you just smile at them. Give them a little smile. And that's about that. All right. So, guys, you know what I mean? You just, you know what I mean? When they're bullshitting you, they're looking at you. How are your investments doing now? You're going to be rich, aren't you? You tell me, yeah, fucking right I am. I'm just building a bucket. Oh, you thought I was getting rich today? Oh, no. Oh, I'm not getting rich today. I already know that. I'm waiting for that tsunami over there. See you guys without a bucket? So I'm building my bucket, kind of like Noah's Ark. You know, like Noah. Motherfuckers didn't believe. Look, I'm a Christian. I love the Lord Jesus. And look at here. And the Heavenly Father. And let me tell you something. Right? Like Noah. See what I'm saying? The wise. Why was Noah smart? Why? Because God told him. God told him. What did God tell him? Because God told him that there would be a tsunami of institutional money once custodianship happened. See, we're like the Noahs of today. See what the Lord's telling us? This is what the Lord, Jesus, is telling us. He's saying, hey, guys, settle down. There's a flood coming. See, like Noah, God told him, yo, there's a flood coming. Right? Get ready. So what did he do? He built his ark. Holy shit, he built that motherfucker. Hardcore, right? He wasn't even by water. People are like, what are you doing, buddy? What the fuck is wrong with you? We're in a desert. This is the Middle East. He was like, nah, dude. The Lord told me water's coming. Lord told me I got to build an ark. They were like, buddy, are you out of your mind? Fucking crazy. Fucking stupid. Right? His wife probably thought he was a retard. Oh, my gosh. Right? She's running around town. Everyone's giggling behind her back. Oh, there's, I don't know what his wife's name was. Oh, there's Susie. Oh, my gosh. That's Noah's wife. How embarrassing. Right? That's what they all said. That's what they fucking all said. You know it. That's human nature. That's what the fuck they said to him. You're a fucking moron, they called him. He just said, hey, man, I just got to do what the Lord says. You know what I mean? I got to just hold the faith. See, I got to hodl. Right? He had faith, and he hodled it. See what I'm saying? He hodled it. And what happened? What happened? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, motherfuckers. There was a fucking tsunami. Read your Bible. Open up your Bible. There was a tsunami coming. And see what happened when the tsunami came? Yo, Noah had his boat ready. He was good to go. Fucking people are getting washed around. Water's coming. He's like, all right, guys, let's get on the boat. All right. Right. Brought some animals. Right. Those are his cryptos. Right. So those are your cryptos. Right. He brought goats and pigs and chickens and cows and elephants and lions and all the animals of the earth, 2 by 2, it says. Well, that's what you're doing. Your animals in your ark are your cryptos. Right? So maybe Ripple's your cows. Maybe Bitcoin's your elephants. Maybe, I don't know, Cardano's your, I don't know what, lions. Right? That's your ark. You're building your ark. Because why? You're wise. Why are you wise? Because you know first that a tsunami of money is coming. As soon as what? As soon as there's SEC approval. Of what? Of cryptocurrency solutions. Which is going to do what? Unlock billions of dollars. In whose money? Institutional money. See, you already know. Like Noah, baby. We're like Noah. So build that ark. Build it nice. Here comes the flood. You know what I mean? And that's what's going down around these parts. We're getting biblical around here. You know what I mean? I just got to, it's the impression. Now, think about all those motherfuckers. Think about all those motherfuckers who called Noah a fucking loser. Called him an idiot, a joker, a moron, a jackass, an insane person. What are you hearing? What are you hearing over there? I'm sorry, I got hyped. What are you hearing over there, though? The same thing. Where's your train at? Where's the money at? Blah, blah, blah. Yo, bitch. Hey, well, I'm not saying call anyone bitch. Yo, person, whoever's giving you the hard time. There's a flood coming. You don't see that? They don't have the eyes. See, the Lord didn't tell them. You see? Noah saw. No one knew. No one knew. No one knew. What did he know? This is the equivalent. No one knew that one day there would be SEC approval of custody and that millions of dollars were going to flood in. And he took the right action. And that's what you're doing. You're like Noah. They don't know. The people around you don't know. You tell your mom. Like I try to tell, like my mom, she's old, so she doesn't understand this stuff. And I tell a couple of my friends and that, they don't get it. Right? Like Noah. Hey, guys, there's a flood coming. Noah, please. Everything's just going to go on as it always has. No, guys. There's a thing called blockchain. It's coming. Blockchain. Don't worry about it. No, guys. There's all these tokens. And we can get them. We can make a lot of money off them. Money, shmoney, blah, blah, blah. I'll just continue working for this law firm instead. And spending my money on cars. Guys, though, you can make tons. They don't want to hear it. Just like Noah, guys. So you are the Noah. So that's what we'll call ourselves Noah Posse. Noah Posse. Now Noah Posse. What's your favorite word? Custodianship. All right, guys. So let me stop talking for real this time. But I just really want to impress it. I just wanted it to be impressed upon you, okay? So subscribe below, please. Go to our Twitter, retweet us, share this with your friends, everybody. Get them on your arc. And, because in the end, we're going to be laughing. You saw it. Custodianship. What's our favorite word? Custodianship. You're damn right. All right, guys. Custody holders, arc builders. I will see you fucking tomorrow. Yo, over and out. Ciao.